everyone, it's Kayla here from Wright Nissan Subaru. Maybe you just upgraded your vehicle, you went from a normal key start to an amazing push button start. I am going to give you a super quick tutorial on how to use a push button start. Alright, so some of you may not know how proximity key or how push button start really works, but this is what the key fob looks like for a push button start. Notice how there's no key. What the heck? Well, proximity key works in a few different ways. You have to be you can't even be like 5 feet from the vehicle or it will not start. So while you're sitting inside of the vehicle, this key has to be super close to the vehicle for it to work. So don't worry, no one will come in, put their foot on the brake and push the button and steal your car. They need to have the key, whether it's in your pocket, in your purse, wherever it might be, just has to be super close. There are two main ways that manufacturers are going to use push button start, whether it be an automatic or a manual. Right now, I am sitting in a 2021 Subaru WRX. This one is a 6-speed manual, but to do a push button start on this ignition, we've got to put our foot on the clutch, all the way down to the floor, your foot on the brake just for extra safety purposes. Like I said, I've got the key in proximity. It is in my lap, in my purse, in my pocket, wherever it might be. I'm gonna click the button. We're all good to go. Let's go. Most manufacturers who offer push button start also give you the option of what they call accessory mode. So accessory mode is going to give you the ability to access all of your in-car electronics without firing up the engine. So notice my feet aren't on the brake, my feet aren't on the clutch, but if I just simply click this button, it's going to fire up all of the in-car electronics, giving you that accessibility. Now we are moving on to the automatic portion of push button start. This is a 2022 Nissan Altima SR. With this Nissan Altima, the only simple thing that I need to do is put my foot on the brake. With key in proximity, I've got the key right in my pocket here. I'm going to click the button. There she goes. As most manufacturers are switching to push button start, I hope you enjoyed your quick tutorial on how to use it. But if you ever have any questions, never hesitate to reach out to us at Wright Nissan Subaru, or you can feel free to check your owner's manual at home as well. Thanks for watching.